In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert audio into a Google Slides presentation. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your slides and create an engaging experience for your audience. So let's get started. The first step is to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by navigating to the Google Slides website on your browser. It's important to be connected to the internet as all your work will be saved to the cloud. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. This is essential because Google Slides is a part of Google Workspace, and you'll need an account to access all its features. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your existing presentations and options to create new ones. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create a new presentation. Simply click on the plus button or the blank presentation option. Google Slides will open up a brand new blank presentation for you to start working on. Now that you have your blank presentation ready, it's time to focus on the task at hand, inserting audio. Look towards the top of your screen and locate the menu bar. Here you'll find the Insert option. Click on it to see a drop-down menu. This menu has various elements you can add to your presentation. For our purpose today, you'll want to select audio from the list. When you click on audio, a window will pop up, prompting you to select an audio file. The audio file you've chosen should already be uploaded to your Google Drive. If it's not, you'll need to upload it beforehand. This step is crucial because Google Slides pulls audio files directly from your Google Drive, ensuring seamless integration. In the pop-up window, browse through your drive to find the audio file you want to add to your slide. Clicking Select will insert the audio into your presentation. Once inserted, you'll notice an audio icon on your slide. This icon is interactive and users can click it to play the audio during your presentation. You can move this icon to any part of the slide by clicking and dragging it to your desired location. Additionally, selecting the icon and going to the Format Options tab gives you more control over how the audio behaves, such as whether it starts automatically or on click, its volume levels, and looping settings. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to insert audio into your Google Slides presentation. With this knowledge, you can now add music, voiceovers, or any other audio to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Don't forget to save your work as Google Slides does it automatically, and your audio enhanced presentation will be ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.